Hello everyone, I am Vinay Singh and welcome to Power BI Learning Series. In this video, I am going to cover calculate function. It is the most versatile function which is available in Power BI. This function can be used to produce the desired outcome when you want to apply some filters. And these filters, they can be either simple or complex. So if I talk about the purpose of calculate functions, so it is basically used to perform calculations over an expression. And like I said, this expression can be either simple or complex. And the output of this function is a value. Now, if you carefully observe the syntax of calculate function, first I have my expression and followed by filtering conditions. Now, there can be more than one filtering conditions within a calculate function. So before I give you the example of a calculate function, let me just tell you one of the very important terminology which is associated with the calculate function, and it is filter context. So what do I mean by a filter context? Whenever a set of filters is applied to evaluation of a DAX expression, it is called as filter context. So if I look at the second example, here I'm applying my filters first before evaluating this expression. So in a way, I can say calculate makes use of filter context. In simple terms, calculate function can be used whenever you want to apply multiple filters. Now, if I talk about example, let's say I have this sales table, which is having 5 different columns. And here is the question which I have to answer, which is how much sales were made by selling pen? And the answer has to come from this table only. So here I can use a calculate function in this way, wherein pen is my filtering condition, right? And I have to add up my amount column. All right. And since there are two rows where product is pen, this is the first row and this is the second row. Therefore, the outcome will be 482. Now let's say there is one more condition to this problem. And this time you want to know the sales which were made by selling pen only, but from the store S200. So basically I want sale from this store for pen. So here I can put two conditions. The first condition is for pen, where product is pen, and the second condition is where store ID is S200, right? And finally you add up the amount column. In this case, only the first row satisfies by both the conditions, hence the output will be 240. One thing to keep in mind when using calculate function is the filters are evaluated first and then the expression, and this is because calculate uses a filter context. Now if I were to show you how this can be done in Power BI, here I have exactly the same data set. Now my first question was how much is the sales made by selling product pen. So for this I can make a new measure. Let's say I'm calling it as sales 1, which is equal to calculate. I want sum of amount column from table 1, and my condition is product is equal to pen. So I just put an extra bracket, I'll just remove it. If I drag the sales 1 measure and convert it into a card form, I can see the output as 482, which is exactly what I got here, right? Now if I were to show you the second question in Power BI, I'm just copying the definition of this measure and I'll just put one extra condition. So I'm calling it as sales 2, and my second condition is store ID is equal to S200. Now again I'm dragging it, and this is my output. So these are exactly the same output that we saw in the slide. So the only thing to remember is filters are applied first before evaluating an expression, and this is how you use a calculate function. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.